Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a Maniology gift. I want to thank everyone who's been using my 10% off code. Thank you so very much. You've helped me achieve Turquoise tier and I am so excited. Thank you so much for using my code. And my code is happily10 and you use that at checkout for 10% off. So I received the turquoise pin. Thank you Maniology so very much for the gifts. I love being a part of the ambassador program. How exciting. I'm going to display this with my pink one. You get a few gifts with each tier that you achieve. In the turquoise tier, I received the crystal clear stamper and scraper set from Maniology. And it's the ice cube stamper. You see it in like all my stamping videos, unless I'm using the monocle. Absolutely love this scraper card. Love it. And if you love the nails, there is a full nail art tutorial, of course, linked in the description box and in the cards. I always need lots of stampers. That's what that looks like. These ice cube stampers are top tier. Amazing. Always send new releases too with your gift. And they sent me one of the new releases of the stickers. And these are the Maniology designed with Aloha, made for creativity nail art stickers. And there's different fruits on these stickers. And their stickers are super thin, y'all. You can top coat these, you won't even be able to feel them on your nails. They're amazing. You get a lot of stickers. These are very pretty. There's sticker application on the back. Really cute stuff. I love the pineapples, the watermelon. All of them. The last gift I received is a stamping plate. And oh my, I was so excited when I seen these plates. And then I got my tier gift and realized that I actually got one. So thank you Maniology. This was on my wish list. Maniology M613 is the plate number. I love it. Layered stamping animals. So there's a butterfly, spider, a monkey, a big cat, another big cat. I love tigers. It's one of my favorites. So there's a frog, a bird, snake, elephant, two elephants. And then these images are like negative space images. So most of it's going to be black, and then you're going to see the color come through, like these snakes, the monkeys, this really cool spider, some birds, and some frogs. I love this place so much. But thank you so much Maniology for the gifts. Thank you everyone who used my code. Thank you so very much. You helped me so much when you use my code and like my videos and stuff like that. And I thank you guys so very much. I thank you guys so very much. It means so very much to me. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Maniology links.